National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, Fayette County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Henry County in north-central Georgia, Coweta County in west-central Georgia, Heard County in west-central Georgia, Meriwether County in west-central Georgia, Northern Pike County in west-central Georgia, Spalding County in west-central Georgia, Troup County in west-central Georgia, until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms.
This is how late I was.
Across the warned area.
I just literally got this EAS.
Of rain have fallen.
It's a flash flood
Flash
warning.
flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newton, LaGrange, Griffin, McDonough, Fayetteville, Franklin, Greenville, Peachtree City, Stockbridge, Hampton, Tyrone, Lovejoy, Locust Grove, Sonoy, Hugginsville, Grantville, Woodbury, Mothersville, Brooks, and Centralhatchee. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 3 a.m.